Hi everyone, Timotheus here. Today I'm excited to talk to you about a fantastic opportunity that's creating and selling online courses for passive income. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So why should you create and sell online courses? Well, not only is it a great way to generate passive income, but it also helps you establish you as an expert in your field and allows you to reach a global audience. Let's break it down. Imagine having a product that sells itself over and over again without you having to put in additional work. That's the beauty of online courses. You're not just making money, you're building a reputation. Sharing your knowledge through courses can position you as a thought leader in your industry. Now let's get practical. How do you actually create an online course? It's simpler than you think. The first step is to choose a topic you're passionate about and have expertise in. This forms the foundation of your course. Next, create a course outline. Think of it as your roadmap. What do you want your students to learn? Then develop engaging and informative content. This is the heart of your course. Make it valuable, easy to understand, and captivating. Now build a professional course website. It should be easy to navigate, providing all the information your students need. So, are you ready to bring your course to life? You can sign up for System's free account today. You can create, market, and sell your online courses all in one place. And the best part is your first course on System is on the house. Now let's talk about selling your masterpiece. The first step is to price your course competitively. Check out what others in your industry are charging. Market your course like a pro. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other online channels to reach your audience. Explore different platforms for selling, whether it's Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Find the one that suits your needs. Let's ensure your success with some key tips. Engage your audience, encourage questions and discussions. Make it an interactive experience. Quality is key. Use multimedia to make your content top notch. Build a community around your course. Connect your students. Connect with them, yeah? Keep them motivated and foster a supportive environment. In conclusion, creating and selling online courses is a fantastic journey. Follow these steps, engage your audience, create high quality content, and build your community. Best of luck! Are you ready to start your journey? Again, sign up for System's free account today and kickstart your online course adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.